What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Texas Honda channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today I'm doing a video because a lot of people don't think my transmission is as long geared as it is for some strange reason. I've had literally like 20 plus comments talking about how there's no way my car hits 80 in second gear. Well, I'm going to show you that it does. My first gear goes to about 40, second gear goes to 80, third is 120, and then from there on I don't know. This transmission is a super long geared transmission. It's a 200 mile an hour transmission if you have enough power, which this definitely does not right now. The JDM D15B does do well in here, but it's also running non-VTEC, and I haven't thrown my turbo kit on yet. So I have almost everything for the turbo. I do need to get an intercooler ordered and then put it all on. But I have the downpipe and HKS blow-off valve. It's a genuine one, and a genuine tile wastegate, and all kinds of good stuff. So that'll be going on real soon. But in this video, I'm going to show you just first and second gear to prove my point. Now, you will probably hear a lot of rattling. That's my shifter. The little bushing in there is just annoying. It has solid bushings everywhere else, but that bushing is just destroyed. So it just rattles. So that's what the rattling noise is. But I'm going to go to an undisclosed location and we'll go from there. I still can't get over how good this car rides now that I've got the max speeding rod coilovers. This road is really crappy and it just rides so good on it now. It's crazy. All right, so now I'm gonna go through the gears. It's not fast, so don't think that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. But yeah, as you can see, definitely hit 80 in second gear. Now the reason the check engine light's on, well, it comes and goes, it's because the TPS is bad. So I do plan on replacing that before I turbo. So I'm over here at my buddy Matt's. He has the blue car. You can't see it, it's too dark. But yeah, he can verify this thing definitely does 80 in second.
Oh yeah. Yeah, those gears are super long.
Super long. What I like about that is when I'm turboed, that means I should have more traction. I should, if the clutch can handle it. But yeah, I wanted to show you this. You can actually see the bubbles coming into the overflow tank, the Jameson bottle. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna head back to my house and we'll go over some stuff. Okay, so we're back at my house. As you can see, definitely hits 80 in second gear. First gear goes up to 40, like I said, and second gear goes to 80. Now, this car doesn't have enough power to take it all the way through all the gears. But, you know, it's a good engine, really good, solid JDM D15B. This engine was actually imported from Japan, and it does great. It's OBD1 converted, but it doesn't have VTEC. The VTEC solenoid and everything is there and connected, but the computer's a P06. So the P06 is a D15B7 non-VTEC computer. I need a P28, but I am getting a Honda S300, so that won't matter. I'll have VTEC. Once this thing gets the turbo in it, we're definitely going to have some fun and do some pulls, because with that gearing being so long, that means I won't have a lot of traction issues through second, and it'll just build boost the whole time. Then I'll hit third, and it should be pretty quick. Now, it won't accelerate as fast as a short gear ratio transmission, but the top speed will be insane. I do want to take it through the Texas Mile and see what it would do. If you don't know what the Texas Mile is, definitely give that a search and see what comes up. It's pretty interesting. But this thing does need some solid mounts. We've got a lot of the bugs worked out. It's been a month since I got this car, which is crazy. This car has come so far in that 1 month time. The max speeding rod coilovers are amazing. I actually stiffened them all the way up and it rides just like the Skunk 2s did, which the Skunk 2s are over here. The Skunk 2s rode really stiff, which is good for track, but for daily, it just wasn't good for me. I'm not saying Skunk 2 is bad. I'm just saying $779 versus $300, and these ride better. So I'm happy with these. Now, a lot of people will argue that, but I'm happy with it. End of discussion. So these, when I stiffened them up, rode really stiff. So I actually had to back them off a little bit, and now it rides really good again. But I do have it set stiffer in the rear just a little bit, and this thing's just crazy now. But yeah, it's running great. It's driving good. Now it's ready for that turbo to get thrown in. While I was over at my buddy Matt's, he ended up giving me some of this sound deadening that he used on his car. So I'm going to be putting some of that in here because I like ride comfort as well as performance. And if I got to add just a little bit of weight to get some better ride comfort, I'm okay with that. So I can just turn the boost up more in the engine bay. Now this engine is stock, so this will only be pushing like 9 pounds for right now. Now I know it can handle more than that because my stock Y7 handled 18 or 19 pounds, completely bone stock with a GT30 twin scroll. It's a big turbo.
Michael went through and adjusted some of the tune since things will be kind of off. He set me up to 18 pounds of boost as well, so we should see how it does. This is a stock Y7 blocks, stock Y7 head. Hopefully this one will hold the power of 18 pounds of boost. So, all right, here we go.
It's a GT30 twin scroll. It's a big turbo, 0.86 AR exhaust housing. But I'm not trying to make it not last. I want it to last. And this is a 0.63 AR Super 60 Turbonetics. It's a really good turbo. So my buddy hooked me up with this for doing his car. And I've got the wastegate relocation, the feed and return lines, all that good stuff. So it's coming along pretty good. Just got to get the intercooler kit and then I can throw all this on. Because down here I have the downpipe. So technically I have pretty much everything but the intercooler kit. But yeah, definitely making some progress. Just wanted to give you guys this video, kind of fill you in on some things that people were saying. It doesn't really matter to me what they say, but at the same time, I want to prove I'm not just making stuff up. I don't know why anyone would think I'm lying about my gear ratios. That's kind of something stupid to lie about. And I don't like lying anyways. It's dumb. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good little setup, but definitely more coming. I got a lip kit over here. It's for the sedan. I'm either going to return it to the seller because it's for a sedan, not a hatch. It does not fit at all. Doesn't even come close. So that's got to go back unless someone wants to buy it. Then hit me up on Instagram, instagram.com/TexasHondaChannel, and message me if you want that. Sell it to you for what I paid for it. I just got to get the right lip for this, and yeah, got more stuff coming. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned. Don't want to make this video too terribly long, so we'll go ahead and get off here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.